everybody. Now we seem to be hearing quite regularly that girls are struggling with their retention, which generally has a lot to do with the attachment of how you're sticking your lashes onto the natural lash. This is happening especially with beginners, so we just wanted to make a quick video for you today to make sure that you understand how you're supposed to attach your false eyelashes onto the natural lash. Now, if your base is not attached to the base of the natural lash properly, this is going to be why you're not getting a good retention out of your clients. What we're seeing a lot of with students is they're coming in and they're actually trying to attach a lash similar to something like this. So they think they've attached it, but what's actually happening is the base is sticking up in the air. Or else what we're seeing a lot of is students coming in on an angle like this, where they're not getting a good attachment at all, as it's just sitting at the tip here, pointing straight up in the air, like this. Then a lot of the time they're pushing down, trying to get a better attachment, and as you can see, it's bending the actual extension they're trying to attach, and it's not sticking properly either. When you have things like this where the base is actually sticking up in the air, you're going to get a lot of oils and things like that stuck underneath the bottom of that lash, which is going to lift and remove that lash within a couple of days. As for when it's pointing up in the air like this, it's just not gripped on very well at all. So same thing, as soon as it comes into contact with some oils or the client starts to try and brush their lashes at home, it's going to get flicked right off. Now the key is to get the base of your eyelash extension stuck perfectly onto the base of the natural lash in the same direction as the natural lash is going. So this is really all about angles. So it's all about coming in at exactly the right angle, and you will find that your eyelash extension will actually get sucked up by the natural lash and fall perfectly into place. Now you only need the attachment to be 1 or 2 millimeters at the base. You don't want the whole lash to be stuck to the eyelash extension, but with the perfect angle, you will have good retention every single time. So I'm going to show you the correct way to attach now. We're going to dip the eyelash in some glue over here. So we don't want to come in like this. We don't want to come in like this. You want to come in on the same angle as your natural lash and attach. Alright, here we go again. Remembering it's all about angles, so we're going to come in at the correct angle to your natural lash and watch it get sucked up there into the natural lash.